Try to see if I can get this recorded. There's a block down there, which if we get the angle just right, you can see that block right there. And then there's another block right there, I believe. It's hard to tell. And there's a third one, which may or may not be visible right there. These are all kind of things that were left on the car. I don't know if this is visible. Are things that Tesla has tried to buff out before. There's another one, I don't know if it's visible, again, right here. They've done a pretty good job with this one getting it out, but I guess they focused on that one because it was in the line of sight. So 1, 2, if it's visible, is right there. Then 3 and 4. There may have actually been another one right here that they buffed out. Oh, see that block? And then there's another one up here which not so clear, it's easy to see. And then there's that one. This is another block. And then there's another one down here, which is right there, which is that block. And those are all part of how the car came.